I want to ask about the presence of former Canadian Supreme Court Justice Beverly McLachlin on Hong Kong's Court of Final Appeal. Mr. Sebastian Lai has already spoken about this issue, critically of her continuing presence. She responded in a Globe and Mail story saying, quote, "The court is doing a terrific job of helping maintain rights for people insofar as the law permits it in Hong Kong." I wonder if any members of the panel want to react to that sentiment from a former Canadian judge.
Thank you, Mr. Jennings. I'd say any foreign judges who are serving on the Court of Final Appeal in Hong Kong should have left by now. The reason why they should is their presence in the Court of Final Appeal is giving the so-called rule of law a false legitimization that there is a rule of law, and they're just simply maintaining the facade of there might be rule of law in the system, be it in the criminal side of things or commercial side of things. And any comments saying that foreign judges remaining on the court would at least give some safeguards to the rule of law in Hong Kong is simply false. Just look at how many foreign judges actually got involved in national security law cases, and look at how Jimmy Lai's assets was being frozen simply because he wasn't convicted yet, but he was charged with the national security law. It's clear that there's no rule of law in the national security side of things, nor the commercial side of things. So I say all foreign judges should have left the court by now.
In 30 seconds I have left, does anybody else want to weigh in on the question of Justice McLachlin's continuing presence?
Yeah, can I just say one thing about that? The problem with a foreign judge sitting in Hong Kong today is that they give a veneer of respectability to a system that has dissolved underneath the edifice of the rule of law. There is nothing there anymore, but it is dressing like the foreign judges. They still have, of course, the courtrooms. They still wear the robes. And I'm afraid, with no disrespect to her personally, Beverly McLachlin has become part of that dressing. She's become part of the appearance of the rule of law, but she is not significantly contributing to its substance, much as she'd like to think that she is. And so she's probably doing more harm than good, although her individual contribution, I'm sure, is nothing short of excellent in what it is. But it's this appearance, this veneer that we think is doing the damage.